Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll show you a quick and practical way to share files between your host and a virtual machine using shared folders in VMware Workstation. Follow these steps and you'll be moving files in seconds. First, on the host computer, create a folder you want to share. I created a folder called Shared with VMs inside C drive. To use Windows 11 Explorer, watch this video. You can use any folder anywhere on your drive, just pick a location that's easy to remember. Make sure VMware Tools is installed in the guest. Shared folders require VMware Tools. If you don't know how to install VMware Tools, watch this video. Now switch to VMware Workstation and select the virtual machine that should access the shared folder. With the VM selected, click VM, then choose Settings, and go to the Options tab. Find and click Shared Folders. By default, this feature is turned off. You can set it to always enabled or enabled until power off or suspend. If you want the shared folder to appear as a drive letter inside a Windows guest, check Map as a network drive in Windows guests. This makes the folder easy to find. It shows up with its own drive letter inside the VM. Next, click the Add button to add a host folder to share. The Add Shared Folder wizard opens. Click Browse, navigate to the folder shared with VMs you created on the host, and select it. You'll see a suggested share name. VMware uses the folder name by default. You can change that name if you want a simpler label inside the VM. Make sure Enable this share is checked. If you want the VM to only view files but not change them, check Read Only. Otherwise, leave it unchecked so the guest can edit files. Click Finish, and you'll now see the shared folder listed in the VM's shared folders settings. You can add more shares, remove shares, or toggle them on and off from this same screen. Now switch to your virtual machine. Wait for the OS to load. If you map the folder as a network drive in Windows Guests, open File Explorer and you should see the shared folder mapped to a drive letter, for example, Z. Open that drive and you can access, copy, and edit files just like a normal folder. If you don't see the shared folder, make sure VMware Tools is installed in the guest. Shared folders require VMware Tools. That's it, a fast, reliable way to move files between host and guest using shared folders in VMware Workstation. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick VMware tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.